And what's that?
A book.
A new book.
Some stickers.
And some stickers. What else?
The girl.
It's a girl.
And you can put some clothes.
And you can put some clothes on her, can't you? And what else?
Some blocks.
Some blocks. Wow, and what else?
A new puzzle.
A new puzzle, yay! Some other things. We can make some cool stuff.
You can make
More story cards? Oh, hi, baby Annabelle. Are we not giving you enough attention? And there's some Tinkerbell slippers. That's right.
Oh my goodness!
Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.